Oh, I encountered with an error while I was trying to install a WordPress theme. And what this error says, there has been a critical error on this website. Okay. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. If you continue to have problems, please try support forum. So it is really very frustrating for me. I was expecting a website while I got this error. But thankfully, WordPress has a inbuilt feature that can help us to recover from this error. And this is called recovery mode in WordPress. So I included this error in the WordPress common errors and probable fixes, and we are discussing most common WordPress errors, and the complete video series can be seen on this channel. So this is uh, we are going to discuss in this video how to use WordPress recovery mode with or without emailing. So error will look like this when you'll face the error, technical error with your website. But the thing is that WordPress automatically sends an email like this. So I'll show you an email, sample email. So don't try to use any credentials visible on this email. It is just for training purpose or learning purposes. Okay, so I got this mail and it has a link. And if your site appears broken, you cannot access your dashboard normally. WordPress now has a special recovery mode. This lets you safely log into your dashboard and investigate further. So when we can click on this error, so I just clicked on the link that can help us in entering the recovery mode of WordPress, and it is asking for a password. However, in general cases, what I have seen, it automatically gets logged in, but it is asking password, so we can use the same password that we used during our core installation of WordPress. So we can simply log in and it will take us to the recovery mode. So I am here on the recovery mode. So exit recovery mode is a simple indication that I am working on the site in a recovery mode. So we have this alert as well. One or more plugin failed to load properly. So the screen is also saying what is the error actually. So you can find more details and make changes on the plugin screen. So we can simply click on this screen, and the plugin which is causing the error can be seen here. So this is the plugin which is Mega Main Menu. It is for this theme only. I'm not saying this plugin is always causing error to all themes. So for particular this installation with this theme, it is causing error for this instance, we can simply say. So what we can do to resolve the error, we can simply deactivate the plugin or remove the plugin if it is not actually required, or if it is not a core and required plugin, or we can try to resume with the plugin and try to resolve the issue. So it depends on the choice and the necessity of the plugin. Uh, in this case, it is plugin. For your case, it may be a theme or any other issue. So basically, this error comes when a plugin or theme is not loading properly. So we can simply conclude that it is for the plugin or theme not working properly, to deactivate the installed theme or plugin so that we may continue working on the WordPress core. Right? So what we can do, we can simply deactivate and delete. But the scenario is working only when we have received this email. What if you did not receive the email? The thing is that how you can enter into the recovery mode. So I'll answer this question, which is a main concern for this video. So entering in recovery mode with the link is very simple. You can simply click on the link and enter the recovery mode, and further you can deactivate the theme or plugin and continue working on your website. And the critical error will be resolved automatically. Means uh, as you have removed the theme or plugin, so a critical error cause is gone, so error is gone. But it is not, it doesn't means when you remove the theme or plugin and you can work for next, because It is very logical. You have to use the required plugin or theme. Okay, so to address the scenario when we did not receive the email, how we can handle the situation. So I'm closing this and even this. So the thing is that when we did not receive the email, and how we can go or access the recovery mode. So I have this. So you have to use a URL that I'm going to paste here, like this one, and I'll paste it here. So it is like https eodomain.com and oblique wp-admin. And this is a string action equal to entered recovery mode. So what we can do, we can simply generate the access URL just by changing the domain name. Put your domain name here and keep the rest of things as it is. So I'm just copying this and we'll enter to recovery mode using this URL, and that will be applicable for you as well. You just need to put your username and password and you will be entered to your website recovery mode, right? So I will show you again. Don't try to use these credentials. It is not for you. This is for my test instance only. And I believe I put the correct credentials. And yes, so it is in the recovery mode. So you can simply deactivate the plugin or exit the recovery mode, but exit only when you have resolved the issue. Otherwise, when you will try to exit the recovery mode, you'll face the same error again. So deactivate the uh, plugin which is causing the error, the culprit, and you'll be able to resolve the issue using the WordPress core feature, which is the WordPress recovery mode. So I believe it will be helpful for you. The method second will be more helpful for you. However, the first method is available for all. Just in case if you are not using the correct email address or somehow you did not receive the mail, the second method for generating the recovery mode URL is going to be really helpful for you, and you can access the recovery mode and resolve the critical issue at your WordPress website. So in the next video, I'm coming with more for you, and I'm sure you are watching the continuous series and more videos for themes, plugins, and how to guides on this channel, and you are a subscriber as well. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.